Hello, and welcome back to our Vytal tutorial series. These tutorials cover how to set up your direct-to-patient e-commerce program using Vytal's website builder. If you haven't gotten started yet, make sure to check out the other Vytal tutorials to get things going. Today, we're going to be exploring the different homepage elements that make for a professional-looking and effective direct-to-patient website. First, if you aren't there already, click Edit Site. Once you have your site open, you'll find a list of homepage elements on the left-hand side of the page. You can toggle these elements on or off and see your changes reflected in the website view on the right. Build your homepage by selecting the combination of website elements that's best for you and your brand. You can edit these elements in two ways. One, by clicking on the element's name in the list on the left-hand side, or two, by clicking on the element in the website view. Next, we can start to customize these website elements. First, click on Full Image with Details. This is a website spanning image with a headline and details section to write the most important information for your patients. For this element, remember to add a short, wide image close to 1280 pixels by 480 pixels so the image can stretch across the web page. Once you're finished, click the back arrow on top of the customization screen to return to the list of homepage elements. Next is Image with Large Copy and Button. This is similar to the previous element, although the image and text are visually separate. This element also includes a button to take your consumers to an order page, as well as a headline, details, and image. This image should also be close to 1280 pixels by 480 pixels. Following this is Headline and Link, which is simply a large headline to grab patients' attention, and an order link underneath it for them to click. Type in an engaging hook or fun fact here to draw their eyes. Process steps are mainly done for you. This tells consumers the process to get their medications, but you can rewrite the headlines if you want. Questions and Answers lets you fill out frequently asked questions about your product and helpful answers to those questions. This is also paired with an image upload, but that image should be slightly taller than wide, around 640 pixels by 688 pixels. Image and link is exactly like headline and link. However, you also include a tall rectangular image of about 640 pixels by 428 pixels. And with that, we've quickly run through the homepage element options for your Vytal built website. In our next videos, we'll move away from the homepage and onto other sections of the website.